6 benefits of ounce for ounce, probably one of the most powerful supplements you could take in the world. Maca green tea, coming up. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Nesto from Attaboy Cowboy, and on this channel we give you health and wealth tips to help you be more successful. I want to share with you some tips on Maca green tea. I've been recommending it to a lot of patients. I drink it myself daily. I've had a really positive experience with it. I want to share with you exactly what it is before I go into the 6 benefits. It's basically green tea. You've probably had green tea before in those little tea bags. You steep it in hot water. It tastes pretty good. It has a lot of health benefits. So what's the difference? It's basically the same plant, Camellia senescens. The difference is the farmers will cover it up with shade and they'll leave it covered 20 to 30 days before they harvest it. Now, in order for the plant to survive, it develops a dark green hue and it builds up the amount of chlorophyll in it, amino acids, antioxidants. All the health benefits that come with green tea are multiplied substantially. Now they take out the stems and the veins and they grind it up, and instead of steeping it like you normally do, it becomes this green powder, which is easy to add to desserts. You've probably seen like green tea ice cream or something like that. You add it to baked goods. I just add it to a drink in the morning and I drink it, and it gives me a lot of pep in the mornings and mental clarity. Now, some of the patients will ask me, well, Doc, why don't I just drink coffee? What's the difference? Well, coffee does have some health benefits, but it's unclear on what's going on with the harvesting process. A lot of our coffee comes from South America, from Colombia. And the process of growing that coffee, they lay it out to dry in the sun. And there's a lot of birds that eat it. Defecate on it. There's a lot of things that happen to the seed. In fact, they drench the beans to help the process of making the shells open up in the sunlight. That process sometimes causes a fungus to grow on it. They say that's not real good for your brain. So Central American coffee is supposed to be one of the best if you drink coffee. It's better for your brain and better, has more health benefits. The problem is that Central America is a very small area. So most of the coffee you find in the world is not going to be from there. So if you're looking for something that's much better, green tea is a better option. It also has caffeine. It gives you that pep that you might be looking for in the morning. Now let's go over the 6 benefits. Benefit number 1, it helps you lose weight. When you drink Maca green tea or even green tea, but again, this is a lot more concentrated, it's going to boost your metabolism. You're going to burn a lot more energy. In fact, you're going to burn about 17% more during workouts. So I drink it before I exercise, and it's going to boost your metabolism. You're going to burn more calories for about 24 hours after you drink it. So the benefits are exponential in terms of weight loss. Again, if you've looked at weight loss supplements, a lot of them will have listed in the ingredients green tea extract. And that's what that is. It's this stuff. They'll add it into the supplements because it's proven clinically in tons of studies that helps people lose weight. So it's very good. It's very effective for losing weight. I have it listed in my weight loss book as one of my strategies for weight loss. Benefit number 2, it's loaded with antioxidants. And let me explain that a little bit. Like, I had a patient telling me, hey, why don't I just take a 4-hour energy? Well, that's a bunch of chemicals. That's not really going to give you very many health benefits. Green tea maca has 137 times more catechins or antioxidants than regular green tea. Let me say that again, 137. So having a glass of Maca green tea can give you the same benefit as drinking 137 glasses of regular green tea. That's huge. That's why it's a game changer. That's why it separates from everybody else. Benefit number 3, it boosts brain function. In clinical studies, patients were given about a half a teaspoon a day, and they showed significant increases in memory, reaction time, clarity, and cognitive functioning. So it's particularly effective for older adults, but it's pretty much across the board. Studies have shown it's going to increase your mental performance. Another benefit is it's high in the antioxidant L-theanine. What that does is it reduces stress and increases relaxation levels. So it's going to help you chill out. A glass of green tea is going to have the same effect, but maca green tea is going to really chill you out. I drink a glass in the morning and it really calms me down, but it sharpens my mind. When I drink coffee, I get amped up. I don't like the way I feel. Heart rate's up. I'm thinking faster, but I'm not chilled out. I'm nervous because of the caffeine. I get nervous with it. Maca green tea does not have that effect. It boosts my mental performance, but I don't get nervous. I don't get jittery. Benefit number 4, it's a very, very powerful protector of the liver. Now, if you drink or you eat a lot of fatty food or you do things like that, or if you don't, in general, if you want to protect your liver, it prevents damage to liver and it actually can help regenerate some of it, probably because of the catechins and strong antioxidants it has. So it works kind of like a force field. Benefit number 5, it prevents cancer. It has ECGC, which I think is pronounced epogallocatechin 3 gallate, which is good for lung cancer, liver cancer, skin cancer, and prostate cancer. It actually, in clinical studies, has been shown to shrink the size of tumors and even cancer cells. Benefit number 6, it promotes heart health. Again, heart disease is the #1 killer worldwide for people over 35 years of age. Maca green tea helps lower the bad cholesterol, increase the good cholesterol, and lower your overall cholesterol levels in your body, which is going to lead to a decreased risk of heart attacks and strokes. With simply 1 glass a day, you're going to have this benefit. Now, if you spread it out throughout the day, obviously you're going to have more benefits because of all the catechins and all the antioxidants it has. So there you go. That's maca green tea. It's spelled M-A-T-C-H-A. And here's a bag. I recommend you buy the organic since there's a lot of pesticides that are used in growing teas, and you're going to be eating this directly. So you don't want to eat Roundup pesticides. In fact, most of the ones you're going to find are going to be organic anyway, but it's very affordable. I paid about $7 for this. It's a pound. I bought it on eBay. I'm sure you can find it on Amazon or some other website for less, but I'd say I paid $7. This bag here, I drink it daily. It lasts me about 3 months. So it goes a long ways. For $7, it's way cheaper than coffee. So thank you again for listening. And from Los Angeles, California, this is Dr. Nesto. Thank you and goodbye.